Cheese lover ka ba? You need to see this. Angel's Pizza just level up big time. Angel's Pizza has always been our go-to for family gatherings. Affordable and really good kasi. So when they drop new items, we had to try everything. First is the new ultra creamy spinach dip pizza. This was already a favorite, but now, mas maraming creamy spinach balls in every size. Extra creamy, extra flavor, extra texture, major upgrade. Next is the Quattro Formaggi pizza. It has mozzarella, parmesan, white cheddar, plus that Filipino-style pizza cheese. If you love cheese, this is overload in the best way. Next naman yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat, the cheesy bacon burger melt pizza. It has savory beef, crispy bacon, creamy cheese sauce. It's smoky, cheesy, meaty, everything I want in one bite. Next, para sa mga chicken wings lovers, they have the new cheesy bomb chicken wings. It's crispy outside, juicy inside, coated in rich, cheesy flavor. And yes, comes with a cheese dip too. Ito naman yung gustong-gusto ng kids ko, the chicken fingers with miracle fries and pink lychee combo. It's crispy, cheesy, refreshing, perfect balance. Available for delivery, but first time namin nag-dine-in sa Angel's Pizza and it hits different. Fresh from the kitchen, next level. Alam nyo na kung anong o-orderin next time sa Angel's Pizza.